Hello everyone. Today I find a new egg. This. Okay. This one new find. You want to know new? I can testing. Okay. I open the light. No, okay. Okay. This you can put here. Here. This one new or old? Okay. This new. Newest. Okay. New. This one new. This one new. This one new. Okay, new are. So I show you about all egg. Okay, now go to with me. Okay, want to check here. Okay, example. I open the light. Okay, this one my cute. Wow. This one example. What? Okay, this one. Okay, that all. Oh. Oh. More. You can check more. This one is in battery. Okay. This one. Egg on you can open. Take one. Take one. Okay. I have other egg. Okay. Okay. Now different color. Now I test. Okay, open the light. Now, new. Yes, you can see. You can see. Okay, you can see. What? New. Okay, see. Yeah, like that. This new. This egg new. Okay. Now I use no egg. Eggs old. Maybe in now I put the same. Oh, baby. Okay, baby cute. Baby cute. Okay, cute. Okay, I put together with. one for cheap. Oh, they cute. Okay, I put. Can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, total 17. Okay, okay, now we go with me to check chook egg. Which one new, which one old? Oh. Okay, I hear new chick. Okay, this one I want to check. This one, no. Oh, my cute. I got one more. Yeah. Hey. Why? Okay, I got one more. Okay, it's cute too. Put with mother. Oh, okay, thank you. You take care. Okay. I check. Maybe bad. Oh my God. Sorry. This one old. Maybe new. Oh, now I test 2 egg. New or old? Okay. Oh, okay. This one new. Oh, this one new. Okay. Put new together. Okay, now I check. Oh no. Oh, new or old? Okay, I check. Maybe new. This one. Here. Oh, new. Okay. Put. Old. You don't understand. Okay, I want to take a new chick. New chicken. Okay, thank you. Now meet me fish chicken together. Okay. Yeah. Okay, take care. Okay, thank you, sister. Thank you so much.